I want to make something big, like a big tank or washing machine. Like those things I want to make from WItBlox. And I like that app concept of that if you upload a video, we'll get some coins and all. Favorite project, actually I like that Android robot when I saw it, but I have bought the kit, but I have not made it up till now. I like WItBlox because it has lots of components, Arduino, servo motor, all sensors, distance, dark, and also I want to make a big model like tank and washing machine with WItBlox. Okay, WItBlox, I want to build some interesting robots and all. Favorite block I like is power.
Indulging kids intelligently, and they are able to use their ideas in trying to make their own project with a little bit of guidance through the app and others. It's very interesting, and it is making them to think differently and trying to use logics with the help of the blocks already available. And again, it is a fun, so kids needs fun, so that's most important, and it's again learning.
My son is using WItBlox entire project robotics toolkit since year, and he has really started loving the entire robotics engineering or robotics because it's very interesting for him to attach blocks and all. So I found WItBlox, this entire concept looks really good.
In today's meetup, I saw some new blocks like that LED matrix, servo block, tilt block, ultrasonic block, and there are so many like wireless blocks also.